Can you do biomedical engineering without doing pre-biomed? The answer is yes, and it's something that I did. One thing I want to point out first is that neither path, whether you do the foundational general first year or pre-biomed, locks you into anything. So regardless, the 14 programs are still available to you. And you're also not guaranteed placement into biomed if you are in pre-BME. So when I was applying to UBC Engineering, I did see biomedical engineering was an option as well as the pre-biomed. However, I wanted to keep my options fairly open, so I decided to pursue a general first year. So for the general first year, these are the courses you would have to take, versus for pre-biomed, it's these courses. And when second year placement rolled around, I was still interested in pursuing biomedical engineering. So once you are admitted into biomed, there is a bridge course you will take between the summer of your first year and your second year. This is BMEC 200, and it's a 1-credit course that basically covers the general principles you would have learned in some of the first year pre-BME classes that you didn't take by taking the general path. You'll get a good overview of the different possible streams in biomedical engineering, as well as just a foundation. And then the second year and upwards timetables, at least the standardized timetables, are the same for everybody. And then following your second year, in the summer between your second and third year, you'll be required to take 2 more classes. This would be Chem 121 and Chem 123. And as you saw before, those classes were listed with the pre-BME pathway, but this is just to get you fully caught up with the rest of biomed. And then from your third year onwards, you're fully caught up. And so that is where I am now. I am in my third year of biomedical engineering with a focus in biomaterials and biomechanics. And one thing I want to reiterate is regardless if you decide to pursue the pre-biomedical pathway or the general first year, you're still open to choosing any of the 14 programs. And again, it doesn't lock you into a specific program. And the last thing I want to say is just to keep an open mindset.